How to reduce Reels data usage on Instagram. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch your Instagram application. Then get logged into your Instagram account. Once done, tap onto your profile section from your bottom right hand side. You'll see a page like this. Now, in order to reduce the usage data, you can simply tap on 3-bar icon off your top right hand side. At this section, scroll below. Under your app and media, you will see data usage and media quality. Open it and simply toggle on this button. Toggle on both these buttons. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use data, but still it will use your data less so that you can reduce Reels data and save your data. And just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.